Uziel Bat Mitzvah.
Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam.
Baruch hu et Adonai Hamtorah.
Bat Mitzvah. Your first Aliyah.
Baruch atah Adonai noten haTorah. Vayomer shov ashu elecha ba'et haya v'hinagem l'shavtecha.
Amen. Beautifully read and chanted. Bezot HaTorah Asher Uziel Bat
Havoher v'Torah u'Moshe avdo ve'al yitalel ha'gibor b'brato al yitalel ashir ve'ashro.
May she find favor before God and the community, and let us all say, Amen. Amen.
You are a beautiful and wonderful gift. You are strong, not just physically, but more importantly, internally and emotionally. You are mature beyond your years and so very resilient. You are able to speak honestly with clarity about your feelings, and that will help you stay connected to the people who love you and who you love. You understand yourself and have the wisdom, intelligence, and savvy to accomplish any goal that you set for yourself. Thank you for being my daughter. I'm so lucky and grateful. I love you.
Mazel tov to you on this most special day. I'm so very proud of you. You're charming, beautiful, and enchanting. Your emotional and spiritual intelligence are off the charts. You're a social butterfly. You have a magnetic force, a warm, beautiful, loving aura about you. Your energy and soul are electric. You're funny, even hysterical. You're strong, a powerhouse, a force to be reckoned with. And in many senses are soulmates connected by the heart. But what I never expected as your parent is how much I learned from you. Going forward, I wish for you a happy, healthy life. Lots and lots of laughs, smiles, kisses, hugs, and love. Just be you, and you'll continue to bring joy to the world and make it a better place. The best daughter I could ever ask for, and I love you with all my heart.
Over the past few years, I have learned a lot. I owe so much to my family and my friends. My parents have never faltered nor hesitated when it came to helping me persevere through what life was throwing at me. I have learned and gathered so much from life, my friends and family, my culture and heritage, and who I am.
It's the good stuff. Manischewitz.
I'm grateful that this happened. I'm grateful that Scarlett was able to be patient and pull it off, and I think she did a wonderful, beautiful job. She's a wonderful, beautiful girl. And I love her so, so much, and I'm proud of you, and I'm grateful for all you guys. I mean, this is kind of our life here.
I see faces of loved ones, friends, family, and I couldn't be more proud not only of Scarlett, but also of each and every one of you for being a part of this big bucket of love and joy.
I want to say how proud I am of Scarlett right over there. It's a big milestone for her, and it's wonderful that everybody could make it out here today, and thank you all very much.
Thank you everybody for coming. It means the world to me. That's all I got.